Namaste, how are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Sunita.
Unita. I am Johan.
Johan.
And you live here?
Yeah, I live here.
You live here.
I live in desert.
Oh, in the desert?
Yeah, in plastic tent.
Oh, in a plastic tent.
Yeah, I don't have house.
You speak very good English.
Thank you, but I don't go to school.
No, I
No
heard.
reading, don't writing,
Yes,
just
yes,
I talk English.
I come from Holland.
Holland.
You know Holland?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, Holland I
Just
don't.
far away. Oh,
Yeah, far away.
Far away,
Yeah.
yes. Beautiful place here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But very far this.
Yeah.
We not going possible there.
No.
Yeah, because
no.
I'm poor. Just
Yeah,
I make
yeah.
henna and only make dance.
You have to go with the aeroplane, huh?
Aeroplane. And I don't have passport.
Oh, yeah, you don't have passport.
Yeah, me is poor.
But how come you speak so well English?
I'm just marketing, walking,
Yes.
and then I
You learned.
My mind
Oh.
and then recording.
Yeah.